My dear friends, welcome to my channel. So, today is Friday. Before I begin, I would like to request all of you to be careful in the US session. Though we do not have any major event during the US session, but still it's Friday, so profit booking may come or market may go crazy. And as we all know, when gold gets crazy, it's unstoppable. So please be careful because it's very lucrative, but most of the people lose money because we are retail traders. We do not have huge capital, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money or salary. Okay, now this is the daily chart and this is the forex chart of gold in front of us, and things have not changed much on the higher time frame. Okay, and on the lower time frame the picture is little bit messy because most of the time we prefer to discuss about gold on the hourly, so 50 minutes time frame, but for better clarity today we will stick to the hourly time frame. So my reference, right now gold is trading around 4670, not exactly 4670 but around 4670. Yesterday we discussed the role of 4670, and today also we can see that 4670 is acting as a magnet. So we discussed about the possibility of liquidity sweep, and yes, we got to see some liquidity sweep around 4670. But right now I have a strong feeling that market will go below 4670. Why? Because the structure of the market we can see is not very positive, because the highs, okay, after market are lower highs, and whenever market forms lower highs it indicates that sellers are in control. As we all know, gold was trying to recover for the last few days, but at this point we can clearly see the structure of the market has changed. The structure of the market is no longer positive. It was a weak recovery that we discussed, okay, plenty of times. So this move on gold should not be a big surprise for you because the recovery was really weak, and right now gold is forming lower highs. So if you have any ongoing sell position right now, okay, I'm not talking about swing sell position, okay, that you can hold for 10 days, 20 days. No, I'm talking about a temporary sell position. If you have any temporary sell on gold right now, you can hold because further downside is possible. And if you're a day trader, then yeah, you can again stick to the levels and okay, play accordingly. So let's discuss one by one. So first of all, 4670, okay, as we can clearly see right now market is trading below 4670. Okay, so there is a possibility that okay, market may show further downside. So where is the next support? The next support is around 4650, but keep in mind, just like yesterday, there is a possibility that market may show liquidity sweep. So after sweeping liquidity, okay, below 4650, if market goes up, as a day trader we can go for a buy position. So go for a buy after liquidity sweep. But right now, okay, we can see the market is still trying to hold the 4670 level. Now listen to me carefully. During the European session, okay, if you see that market is trading around 4650, 466, it means market is consolidating. Okay, market is like this, okay, there is not much movement, market is dull. Then there is a possibility that there may be a big breakdown, means market may go below, not liquidity sweep, a big red candle may form, because before any breakout or breakdown, consolidation is important. So if you see that market consolidates around 60-50 area for 2 to 3 hours, there is a possibility that market may go quite a lot below 4650. In that case we can look for a sell position below 4650 as well. But if the market remains like this, then obviously, okay, we can expect a liquidity sweep. And when market will be going above 4650, we can go for a buy. So you can see I have also drawn a big green color box here. Okay, that big green color box is very important, my dear friends. Why? Because this is a big support zone, but the support zone is extremely big. It's a support zone of 300 pips. 46202 to 4590. So this is a big support zone, okay, you can see. So obviously entering in this zone is very tricky or risky because your SL is going to be a big one. So if you want to avoid taking a buy position in the support zone, okay, you can avoid, because I am also not planning to buy here, because I do not want to go for a stop loss of 200 to 300 pips. Okay, but if you want to take the risk, okay, then you can go for it. But yes, I feel that after 4650 market may try to take support around this area. Okay, so not much to do today, because things are not very stable right now, and as we all know, today is Friday, so be careful. And as we all know, the weekly closing is going to be very, very important. If market closes below 4650, then we can expect next week the bearishness on gold will continue. Okay, so the weekly closing is going to be very, very important. And if market recovers suddenly, okay, then 4775 is going to be a key level. For gold to be bullish again, it needs to break 4775. If you're wondering where is the resistance to take a sell position, then I do not have any sell opportunity at the top right now, because from my limited knowledge, okay, I could not find any proper pattern here or any particular resistance. For example, okay, we go for sell around the resistance, static resistance, dynamic resistance. We also look for some FIBO levels sometimes, okay, or price action levels. But today I observe that nothing is working properly. The highs of the market are not uniform. So as a result, I personally feel that it is better, is best if we avoid. See, at the time of recording a video, okay, we can see the market is trying to okay okay, take the support again around 4670. So let's wait and watch. Okay, there is a high chance that, okay, market will sweep the liquidity. If it does around 4650, we can look for a buy. And if market consolidates like this for 2 to 3 hours, then you can look for a sell below 4650. And as I said, the big green box is a support zone, but taking a buy is risky, because the SL is going to be huge. If you want to go for a buy, it's up to you. And as I said, okay, at the top, okay, yes, market is forming lower highs, but from my limited knowledge, I could not find any proper selling opportunity here, because you can see I have drawn a trend line also, but I do not want to risk it. Okay. um, let's wait and watch. The weekly closing is going to be important. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, bye bye, take care.